Are you an investor trying to understand equity funds? Does the thought of measuring their performance overwhelm you? Well, worry not. Here's a simple way to look at it. Picture yourself as a school teacher, monitoring your students' performance at the end of a school year. What's the best way? Some would say the last unit test you took, or say the final exams. In the mutual fund performance terms, this is called the trailing method of evaluation. It measures performance from a specific past date to a present within a fixed time frame. But imagine a great student having a bad final semester. In your eyes, he or she is still fundamentally strong, right? So how could we measure their potential and performance in a more accurate way? The best way would be to look at their performance not just in the last semester, but over multiple semesters. A rolling method of evaluation offers a report card for mutual funds with a much broader, more consistent view of long-term performance, as it is calculated based on annual returns over various periods of time. Now, with both report cards in front of you, which one would you choose to understand the performance of equity funds?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.